Welcome to this audio program entitled Heart Songs, A New Approach to Cardiac Auscultation. I'm Dr. Michael Barrett, Director of the Fellows Cardiac Clinic at the Temple University School of Medicine. This program is brought to you as an educational service by 3M Littman. This audio program is for clinicians at every level who want to improve their skills at cardiac auscultation. Recent research has demonstrated that auscultation is, in part, a technical skill. As with other technical skills, repetition is crucial to mastering cardiac auscultation. In fact, 2 recent clinical trials have shown that a new heart sound needs to be heard an average of 500 times to incorporate it into long-term memory. This program will review 7 basic heart sounds and murmurs in separate audio chapters. Each chapter contains 10 auditory recognition exercises that together provide a total of 200 repetitions of each heart sound. To achieve the desired number of repetitions, you will need to listen to this program 2 or 3 times. The following heart sounds will be reviewed: mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, innocent systolic murmur, aortic regurgitation, mitral stenosis, 4th heart sound, and a 3rd heart sound. At the end of this program, you will find a self-assessment module that allows you to measure your progress in recognizing these sounds. Let's begin.